I know we're happy we got through today with a minimum of travel hassle, weather hassle.
It's nice now.
Yeah.
And we're going to make an assumption tonight. We're going to assume that if you're watching us, you're now where you want to be for Thanksgiving.
Yes.
So Mike, Dawn, and I welcome you home.
Welcome back.
Glad you're back in Savannah. Glad you're with us tonight. Look at Doppler Max 11 radar. It's all clear. No weather problems for any of your holiday plans. In fact, if you look across the country, in the corners you see some precipitation. But here, we're in great shape. Nothing to show you at all, and not any clouds either. So we will cool very quickly. Closest clouds we could find, North Georgia up into Tennessee and North Carolina. There was rain yesterday. Not a lot of it, but there was some rain. In fact, you see these little green spotches? Well, that's where we had perhaps an inch of rain, but most folks it was a half an inch or less that they saw from the very early showers this morning. Even some rumbles of thunder in some spots, but not a lot of precipitation at all. Future Max keeps us clear. In fact, no clouds all the way into midday tomorrow until midday Friday, though we'll watch some offshore activity that could affect Brunswick late in the day on Friday. But Saturday, here comes the next event. Again, starting to wrap up with one area of low pressure here, another forming farther to the south. That's going to start to push our way. It's in our Sunday forecast. We'll show you that here in just a second. So the storyline tonight is cooler temperatures. Look at everything cooling down. Almost see the blue colors of the 40s start to work this way, and they'll be with us for overnight lows. Fronts offshore, nothing to worry about there. Here's our high pressure over Alabama tomorrow, right over us on Friday, and offshore by the time we get to Saturday. Here's the next front, and ahead of that front, we'll see a windy condition develop through the Tennessee Valley up into the Ohio Valley, but no precipitation until the very end of the holiday weekend. Next tide will be low at 12:26. High tide tomorrow morning, 6:43, up to 9 feet. Some exceptionally high astronomical tides expected with our 7:01 sunrise tomorrow morning, and we're going to get a northeasterly breeze with that. Our small craft advisory, 9.4 is when we get flooding across US 80 at Tybee Island. We'll watch that very closely as we go through the next 12 to 24 hours. But our Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight looks great. Much more like autumn. 43 for an overnight low. Light north breeze will continue to diminish. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine for what we hope will be a very happy Thanksgiving. Northeast breeze at 9 to 11. 67 should be the afternoon high. Down to 42 tomorrow night for the first Black Friday shoppers, so that's now too late as we were just discussing. 70 for an afternoon high on Friday, lots of sunshine, mostly sunny, 73 on Saturday. Now, Sunday's the chance of precipitation, probably late in the day. Notice how it cools on Monday with a 40% chance of early showers, then back to the 60s. The only cold I've got there is Tuesday morning with an overnight low of 39. But in the big picture, no extreme cold expected through the entire forecast period. So whatever you've got planned for this holiday weekend, make sure you get out and enjoy temperatures in the 70s for the Thanksgiving weekend. You can't beat that. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanks, John.